Good afternoon from Burton Waters Boat Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you around this 2016 Jeanneau Merry Fisher 695. So what we'll do is we'll start on the exterior as always, and then we'll head on inside. So to start things off with, on the aft you can see you've got the teak running on the bathing platform, and these are actually a really good size, making access on and off really easy. You've also got a swim ladder located just on the aft there, so if you do need to get on board, that's there to do so. You've also got two rod holders in the cockpit, so if you do fancy doing any bit fishing, then you can do so, and you haven't got the canopy enclosure on here, so you won't have to worry about clashing it on that. You've also got a decent sized rail running alongside the side deck, and it's quite a good size, I must say, and you've got a handrail on here, so if you are putting out any fenders, lines, etc., then you haven't got a compromise to do so. Just heading up onto the bow now, and what we've got in here is, we'll let Fred come a little bit closer, and you have got your anchor with chain, and then you've also got your windscreen wipers on there, which you probably would need in this weather, to be honest. We had a bit of sun a minute ago, but now that's disappeared and we've been given some rain. So we'll head inside now. So in the cockpit you've got a good amount of seating. You've got this U-shaped seating, which I'd say would seat around 4 to 6 people, depending on how you'd like to sit, really. You've got the table as well, so you can dine, but you can also remove that if you just wanted a bit more space just to seat yourselves. You've got light in the aft, and then obviously one of the main features with the Merry Fishers, even from the baby ones, the 605s, is it gives you the patio doors. You've also got a good amount of storage on board, because you've got the lazarette, obviously your outboards at the back. We've got a Yamaha 115 horsepower engine. And one thing I must note is this is one of our stock boats, so that means it's been through our workshops and prepared before we've listed the boat, and it will come supplied with a 3-month engine warranty. So here you've got your galley setup, which is really just a sink either side there, so if you have got any pots or dishes to wash up, then you can whack them in there and clean them. Below that we've got bit of storage. You've got a fridge, and then you've got your saloon setup, I must say. So you've got a bench there and then a bench here, and it can facing forward, so you can have a co-pilot bench there just to make it a bit more of a sociable setup. But it is really perfect for 2 to 4 people, I'd say, this boat. You can also convert this saloon into a large single/double, so you could squeeze 4 people in here. So coming on to the actual helm now, it's got a fairly basic specification, but it does what it needs to do, and we can always fit any extras if you did need to, if you wanted to do so. So you've got a bolster. Standing up it feels quite comfortable. You've got a really good view out. You've also got a hatch above head, so you've got plenty of ventilation. We've got opening windows either side, but it's nice, light and airy in here. And then you've also got a really good view out the aft. But throttle falls nicely to hand. You've got your switches located closely, and then you've got your Yamaha display just above. And then what we've got is, if Fred shows you, you've got your double berth. We've currently set it up with the infill in place. However, you can remove that if you wanted to, just to give you a bit more access along the centre there. And then just coming onto the heads now, you've got a decent amount of space in there. And then obviously you've got your heads. But one more feature just before we round up the video is you have just got some storage located just below the seat, just a little bit, so if you did need to stow away any small items, then you can hide those down there. So just to round up this video, this boat is priced at $39,950, and as previously mentioned, it is one of our stock boats, meaning it previously went through our workshops prior to it being listed. and the boat will come supplied with a 3-month engine warranty. Just one feature I did miss while I'm at the helm is this seat can also fold forward just to give you some more space on the galley. But if you have got any questions, please get in contact. We'll leave the listing below in the description, and it's available for viewing 7 days a week here in Lincoln. The engine hours are at just under 140, they're 139, so relatively low for the age. It's been a well-maintained example, so please get in contact for more information.